What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Guys, we finally have one. A subscription box with wellness, skincare, and grooming essentials. This is Luxe. We finally have a subscription box full of essentials that we need. And guys, I'm very excited for this one. And this is actually compared to a male version of FabFitFun and also a male version of Sephora. Not that I put a gender on, essentials like that, because guys, I'm open-minded. I like to try anything. You can find the subscription service at luxewellness.com. Of course, I will leave a link in the description down below, as well as a 15% off code. No, I'm not an affiliate and this is not a paid sponsorship. Luckily, Luxe reached out to me to give this a shot because, guys, let's face it, I've been aware of what's going on in the men's beauty community for years. If you're new, by the way, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. On this channel, I talk a lot about men's wellness, grooming, skincare, fashion, tips, how-tos, you name it. This is your #1 source for men's lifestyle, everything. So today I'm going to talk a little bit more about Luxe and we're going to unbox this together. And guys, I have absolutely no idea what is in this box. But what I do know is luxewellness.com does provide a list of all the items that are in here. So I'm pretty excited about that. And what I also am excited about is their full-size items, and the value is over $171. So if you're interested in hearing about Luxe, then keep on watching. I am so excited that we finally have a subscription service for us guys, full of necessities for people like me and you that enjoy skincare and grooming and wellness and just promoting like self-care. That is what it's all about. And there really is no gender on that. But if a box like this that's dedicated to goods for men is what's gonna open up that window for people that don't realize that, then that's what it takes. So let's go ahead and get this open, guys. I don't wanna wait any longer. First off, the box itself is pretty sick. It's a nice like matte black, cool feeling to it. It does say Luxe right in the front, and it looks like it opens right here. So here we go. Alrighty, so first thing we see is a hydrating face mask by Wolf Project. Deep skin hydration. We know I love a good mask, guys, so I'm pretty pumped about this. And anything for hydration, right? This is definitely from a brand I'm not familiar with, so I'm excited to get to know them. And looks like we also have NEURO Gum Energy Clarity Focus. This is definitely not like anything I've ever tried before. NEURO Gum, feel your body, activate your mind. Alright. That's pretty sick. Awaken your senses. Is there CBD in this? What is this product? Typically, I feel my body and my mind with Monster. And it's going to be beautiful to switch things up with something healthy. Next, we have something from Jack Black, and this is a double duty face moisturizer. I've never used anything by Jack Black, but I have seen a lot of their products in like salons and whatnot and barbershops. I'm curious to see the consistency of this moisturizer, so let me just give it a go really quick. If it wants to come up. There she is. A little on my nose. Good thing is there's really no scent to it, which is fine with me because I really don't like highly fragranted stuff on my face. It is very watery though. Wow, that's a liquidy moisturizer. This is definitely not going to be a nighttime moisturizer, but this will be great for the day because it's obviously not going to leave you, heavy and oily, and it's already kind of drying down, so that's beautiful. And this does have SPF 20 in it, and guys, I'm kind of in the need for a new SPF product, not gonna lie, so that's awesome. This is GOLI Nutrition Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. Oh, I'm gonna be honest, guys, apple cider vinegar is like one of those scents that I cannot stand. So I'm hoping these don't smell anything like that. I swear, like whenever I go to the locker room in my gym, it smells like apple cider vinegar and I want to heave every time. So I'm praying that these do not smell like that. I have to give it a smell, guys, just because of that purpose. Alright, it doesn't smell that bad. It does not smell too much like... Actually, I'm not getting the vinegar scent at all, which is good. Oh my gosh, look at that. So this is just like a dietary supplement. I should probably read what it does before I start like munching on these. Taste the apple, not the vinegar. Amen to that. Definitely do not taste the vinegar. Gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic. I'm talking with my mouth full. This is uncouth of me. So I'm not really too familiar with apple cider vinegar and its benefits other than being like a deodorizer and something to prevent chafing. But I will give these a go, guys, and maybe I will do a dedicated video on some of these products because a lot of them I'm not familiar with. So hey, if you want to me like actually review any of these products, sound off in the comment section down below. Next we have Hims and Hers, and guys, I'm so excited to give these a go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a firm believer when it comes to sleep aid, and every night before bed I have a little sleep something. So this is gonna be amazing. And guys, I'm very familiar with Hims. I have multiple videos actually reviewing their products, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of a pioneer when it comes to their products because I've been trying them since they were released. So I have a lot of faith in this company. This is definitely something that I've been wanting to try for a while, so very excited about that. And again, a lot of these products retail a lot, a lot. And I know this went for around like 30 bucks on the website for, I think it's forhims.com. So alone there, like that's a really good price. Next we have Energy and Focus. These are mints, and that's pretty cool. It's 12 mints in here. It's crazy that there's so many products now that are kind of like candy and they provide like benefits and wellness inspired. So I freaking love that. This is actually infused with B vitamins. What mints? A mint? What? That's crazy. Very excited for those. Next we have VERB Energy. It's like it's a little bar. As much caffeine as espresso and only 90 calories. Living. That is amazing. Guys, I love coffee. Coffee is my antidote. If I do not have coffee at least once a day, I'm bitter. I'm bitter at the house. So that's amazing. And this is by VERB Energy. So a lot of these brands, guys, I was not too familiar with. So that's pretty cool. And this is Eucalyptus and Mint Native Deodorant. So Native is the brand. Love eucalyptus. Eucalyptus anything is a favorite scent of mine. So hopefully this smells good. I'm just gonna give this a smell right now. Why not? Now, when it comes to like natural deodorant, not gonna lie, I never had the greatest experience, but let's give this a shot right now. Might as well. All these lights on, I can definitely use a little pick-me-up. Goes on easy, smells really good, and the ingredients seem to be pretty healthy. Now, I don't know if this is most definitely a natural ingredient, so I shouldn't say that loosely, but it does say paraben-free and aluminum-free. So that's always a good sign, guys. We really got to like pay attention to not only what we put on our body, in our face, and our hair, but also underneath our arms. That's very important. And the last product in the box is AMASS, and this is alcohol-based hand wash for when water is unavailable. Love that. So it kind of like it's an antibacterial, I guess. Aloe, cinnamon, allspice, clove, eucalyptus. Pretty promising ingredients. Looks like this might be infused with like essential oils. I want to give this a go, guys. This is pretty sick. Doesn't really have a scent, but let's see. Oh my gosh. That smells so freaking good. So that is everything that's in the box. I'm gonna actually list it right here if you guys wanna, read every item for yourself, but this is classified as the summer box. And the beautiful thing is, if you order right now, 100% of the profits are donated to the NAACP until July 15th. If you're not familiar with NAACP, honestly, guys, neither was I, but this is a great time to educate yourself. The NAACP is a national association for advance of colored people. And it's actually the largest and most preeminent civil rights organization in the nation. Beautiful, guys. And right now, like I said, it's definitely time to educate yourself, learn, help out as much as you possibly can. And it's a great time to just be a good person, most importantly. Just to go over a few other facts here from luxewellness.com. So I fill you guys in completely about this whole subscription service. Basically, you've received 6 full-size products, like I said before, and this is sent every quarter. So there's 3 quarters in a year. And you have the option to either pay quarterly, which is $79.99, or if you do like the whole yearly subscription, you get a discount, so it'll be $69.99. It's pretty cool. Free shipping, of course, which is amazing. And like I said, with my discount code, you get 15% off, so might as well use that. This is exciting, guys. I'm very pumped for this whole service, and it's launching officially July the 16th. I'm here to promote self-care, self-love, and most importantly, self-respect. And everything in this subscription box, guys, has a product that will just benefit you 100%. Whether it's for your energy, your mood, your skin, your wellness, your overall like humanity, it has something in that box for you. So I'm very pumped for this to be on the market. You guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. I upload videos multiple times a week, so I'd love to have you here on my channel. And my Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝗄 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.